Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time coming across my video, I'm Mabel. I create content around fashion, beauty and lifestyle. So if you love any of that, consider subscribing, hit the notification button so you get posted whenever I post a new video. And also do follow me on Instagram, Mabel in Hamburg, TikTok, Mabel in Hamburg. Like you all know, so I'm still in a very happy mode, celebration mode of my new ride. And yes, so on that beautiful day, it's 1 week now, exactly today makes it 1 week. So when they presented my new car to me, I was actually expecting a flower, and the manager actually said to me, Mabel, we don't have any flower for you, but we have a special gift for you. And I was like, okay. And it's like, okay, I'm gonna show you later. Let's finish the paperwork, the signing here and there. And yeah, so it was all done. Like, I've been waiting for this car actually over 7 months now, and yeah, so because I ordered, I just picked up exactly how I wanted the car to look like and what I want in the car. So it took very long, like, to bring it you know to manufacture, and the import and export from the US and to European. And yeah, so finally I'm enjoying my new car. So after all the paperwork, and the key was presented to me, the trunk there, like sitting there, and I was like, oh, what's that? Like, I thought maybe for accidents and all of the essentials that's been needed for my drink there. So let's open it. So this is actually, instead of getting a flower, instead of presenting me a flower, so I was presented this beautiful shopping toad from Lexus. So I can actually use this for shopping, and it has two handles, and the handles can be extended, so and inside of it, then you have all these beautiful, oh god, I don't know if you guys can actually see all these beautiful goodies in on the inside. And yes, so let's open, so let's open it together. So diffuser, I think, for the room. So let's open. I'm eager to know. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oopsie. Oh. So this for the room, I think. Yeah. Yeah, the sticks, the sticks are really beautiful. And then the second was this beautiful case here from Hugo Boss. And let's go. What's seen here? Bam, bam. Hugo Boss, for your next luxury Lexus chapter. Oh, really beautiful. So they actually collaborated with Hugo Boss. So I think this pen, a Lexus Hugo Boss pen. Oh, beautiful. So, and the third one is this beautiful. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Oopsie. Oops. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Oh, Lexus. Oh, beautiful. I just love this handle. Just look at the handle. Beautiful. And then yeah, so the bag is empty. So the bags has different compartments, like here, and then it has the zipper compartment as well. Lovely. That's all about the gift. Like, instead of presenting me a flower, so I was gifted this beautiful item, and I really think I prefer this than, having a flower. Although I really love flowers, like I love flowers, like I do. Like almost once a week, I get myself a flower, in my vase in the living room. And yeah, but I think this is actually what I'll be using day to day, So I prefer this than them presenting me a flower. And yeah, so I'm really enjoying my beautiful ride. And yeah, so guys, see you all on my next video. Thank you all so much for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to do so. Mabel in Amberg, love you all to the moon and back.